passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm doing a product review of HadinEEon's automatic electric milk frother. Let's start with the unboxing. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. This is the HadinEEon automatic electric milk frother. It is 120 volt and 500 watts. You can put between 130 and 300 ml of milk in it. It comes with an owner's manual. It's a sponge cleaner. With this, you can use either hot or cold milk. The top button is for cold and the bottom one is for hot. It has a nice and comfortable handle. The clear cover lets you see inside while using it. It comes with two whisks. This is the largest. This one is for heating a small amount of froth. You can store the core under the base while it's not in use. Don't overfill it. Okay, let's make a delicious fall special pumpkin spice latte. Let me show you the ingredients. I'm using 2% organic milk, but you may use whole milk, unbleached organic sugar, pumpkin puree, ground ginger, nutmeg, instant coffee, pumpkin spice, and few drops of vanilla extract. Add all the ingredients in a cup: pumpkin puree, sugar as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, nutmeg, pumpkin spice, instant coffee powder, and finally add milk and mix them well. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Warm it up in the microwave or on your stove top and set it aside. Add some milk below the line. Into that, add a few drops of vanilla extract. Cover it and start. Very quiet, no noise at all. It will stop by itself. Now just pour it on the pumpkin spice latte. Garnish it with some instant coffee powder on the top. If you like latte, cappuccino, or just coffee and want to give it a frothy top, then this is the perfect way to start. Just like from the fancy coffee shops. So good. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.